Hello my people, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make good money. $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, depending on how serious you take this project. Okay, depending on how serious you take it. And this is just mining. Okay, this is just mining. You'll be mining this coin by the noise around your environment. So some of you guys that are staying in a noisy environment, it is time for you to use it and make money. Okay, so what you are going to do is this link anywhere you are watching this video, but maybe like on Facebook, on YouTube is going to be better. So if you're watching it on TikTok, make sure you go on YouTube. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always dropping update that will help you guys here. Okay, so and this update, this is the website, I mean the app here, but I'm going to drop the link here. So sorry. So I'm going to drop a link in the comment section below. You first click on that link and download the app. Now after you download that app, you are going to set up that account, register with your email. Referral code is a must because that is how you are going to get points. Okay, because you're going to get points, 5 points instantly immediately you register using my referral code thenry. I'm going to be putting it. Okay, I'm going to put in the code. That is the code right there, you see thenry, right? So how does this code work, this app work? Once you register it, this is how it shows, right? The interface of the app. Come to this place here, you click here. After you click here, you see that I'm already mining. I already have 1.1 thousand coin. This is a coin, this is not a point. Okay, so we are early adopters, so early adopters mine it very fast, right? So they give us much, right? So what is going to happen is but okay, I don't really know whether this project is new, but it's new. It's new. Some project will come out like in China will be doing it before they will even enter Nigeria. Crazy. So click here like this. You can also check them on Twitter, then click there. After you click there, it's loading. After it's load, you are going to click here in this place here, right? Click there. So after you click there, you see that it's loading. Now this thing is mining like this. Okay guys, this thing is mining like this. So if I stop talking now, you see that the mining rate will reduce. Do you see? But you see, immediately I start talking, you see that the mining rate increase.